Hi everyone, I'm Jay, and today we'll be explaining to you our hack Vaccine Together. In a nutshell, Vaccine Together is an AI enabled solution for predicting vaccine side effects before a dose and global data crowdsourcing platform to perform analytics all without compromising user privacy and anonymity. To start off, we are targeting two problem statements given by SAP. Firstly, smart data sharing. As vaccines are administered, millions of patient data records are being generated every week. And this data, though being sensitive, has so much potential to be analyzed to provide useful information. In our hack, we came up with a solution to do just that. That is, to build a framework known as horizontal federated learning to anonymize the data while getting useful insights from it. Secondly, this framework will help individuals to get a sense of vaccine side effects before getting a dose and also to track their side effects as well, all while contributing to the smart data sharing platform. Firstly, our solution is powered by SAP and runs on the SAP Cloud Platform. Our application has threefold functions. Firstly, it enables an individual to get a sense of the side effects before getting a COVID 19 vaccine shot based on their personal health data. Secondly, the user can track their side effects after getting a vaccine shot, and all the data is anonymized before being used for improving our global model. Thirdly, it allows users to track the global vaccine regimen.
Welcome to the demo of Vaccine Together. This is the page which the user lands on immediately after registering. The user is advised to provide some personal and health related data through this form periodically after taking the vaccine. The data will be analyzed and shown to the user in the Your Data Analysis tab to enable them to monitor their side effects. For example, you can see an analysis of their body temperature along with the side effects they are most likely to have. If the user is yet to take the vaccine or has taken it recently, they can use the Predict Side Effects feature to get a prediction of the side effects they are most likely to experience on taking the vaccine. The prediction ensures complete data privacy using the horizontal federated learning architecture, which is explained later in our presentation. In our attempt to make this a one-stop solution to all COVID vaccine related issues, we have also included a tab with global vaccine data analysis for users who are keen to find out more.
Now let's get an overview of the federated learning architecture, which forms the essence of our product. Let us assume there are multiple users or multiple clients. Each client has their own dataset, which is periodically populated by the user. They also have their own ML model, which is initially trained on this data. On the server side, we have a central model which is initially trained on some seed data. So when there's sufficiently new data points on the client side, that is, after training, there is sufficient change in its model parameter, only the updated parameters are shared with the central server. The server has an aggregator which aggregates its own parameters with these shared parameters of the client model and transfers these aggregated parameters back to each of these clients, which consequently improves their own model as well. It is important to note that throughout this pipeline, the data points never leave their host device and only the model parameters are shared.
We can see in this slide that our federated learning architecture client model is performing significantly better than a client model by itself.